AI video generator, LUHM. Make videos with audio, templates, text to video. So this is the app where you can then just create all of these videos. So just double click to install it. Turn text into viral AI videos with sound. Use templates like Yeti SMR, Bitfood, fast, fun, and perfect for social media. LUHM AI video generator. AI is the ultimate AI video maker that turns your ideas into fully automated videos with just text. Whether you are creating content for Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, LUHM AI lets you go from text to video in seconds. AI powered video generation, text to video, unique templates, audio included, fast and easy, social ready exports. And then yeah, you
Welcome
can
to
then just
LUHM AI.
continue. And then here you have it. So now you can create your own scene. So there are some free credits. You can just use this and then just share it. Share the invite code. So pretty cool. Earn 10 credits for each referral. So quite good thing. And then you can just create all of this. And then you just need to generate, but you need to have pro subscription. So that's the idea. So there you have it. They also have creator program, and so that's basically the idea in here. So something like that. This is just what you have, and try it out.